Hello friends, day 85 and I've come from Wick today, and as I was leaving the hotel I met a very interesting chap who was cycling in a recumbent, and I will show you a bit more about him later. I'm going to do a bit of an experiment today, and I've actually interviewed this chap, and I want to see if you like having interviews with other people in the videos, so do let me know in the comments. I also met a chap called Gary this evening, a retired fireman from Grimsby, who was on the last couple of days of his Land's End to John O'Groats, and he's being met by his wife when he gets to John O'Groats, and they're going off to Orkney, so I had a little chat with him. The John O'Groats trail could be such a lovely path with all the beautiful sea views, but sadly it's really not a good path. It's really badly maintained and very dangerous in places. It's really not fit for purpose, and the stiles often have barbed wire, and it's really quite nasty. Both Gary and I had gashes on our knees today from climbing over stiles and slipping with the barbed wire. So come on, council, get your act together. In the meantime, take a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. This is my beautiful view this evening. Another lovely sea view, which I'll probably get most of the way along the John O'Groats trail. And this is my repair and modification with this little bit of elastic here to the tent. And as you can see, it's been raining, so that'll be a good test for it tonight.
Okay, well, I'm Armin. I'm the owner of this lovely velomobile. I have it now for 10 years, and every year I make a long journey through Europe. And this year it was a journey from Switzerland up to John O'Groats. So 2 weeks ago I started in Neuchâtel, went up through France and then through Belgium and Netherlands. In Amsterdam I took the boat to to Newcastle, right, to Newcastle, and then all along the road to Aberdeen, along the coast to Edinburgh, Aberdeen, and then up to John O'Groats. It was a lovely journey. I had only just a little bit of rain, mostly sunny, and so today I will make the last 20 kilometers to John O'Groats. From there I will take the ferry to the Orkney, and there I can take a boat in Kirkwall back to Aberdeen. From Aberdeen it goes back to Newcastle, take the boat again back to Amsterdam, and then this time I will follow the Rhine back to Basel, where my wife will pick me up. The whole thing will be about 3,600 kilometers, and With a velomobile, it's actually something which is easily done. You can, without too much effort, do some 100 miles every day. And every day is a new surprise. I don't know what will happen. It's like Christmas. Every day you open a new parcel and you get surprised.